Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
my
Hello.
name is. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay,
Yeah.
wonderful.
Yeah.
So,
I like
really
your
quick, sorry.
glasses. I said I like your glasses. That's
Oh,
They're nice.
thank you. I bought them in South Korea. So,
Oh, that's cool.
yeah.
Nice. You have a
Mm, thank
reservation.
you.
That's what you were about to say.
Ah, yeah,
Yeah,
that's right.
in 15 minutes.
Yes,
Yeah, it's okay, no problem.
cool.
Yeah. So you
I like
bought
to
them
make
in
sure
South
that my
Korea.
yeah.
Are they like just for stylish to style, your look, or are they? Yeah, I
I
can
need
tell.
them. Yeah.
Yeah, I need them too. But mine are too heavy. You're, you know,
Oh,
leaving
yeah.
some traces here on my face.
Yeah, mine
Uh,
do the same thing. Like, I feel like every pair of glasses I've had, they've
yeah,
put pressure on my nose. Yeah, I think I
yeah,
might have to contact lenses again because I feel like it changes your face.
yeah.
With
When I remove
yeah.
mine, I feel like I'm another person.
Mhm.
I don't feel comfortable people looking at me without me wearing my glasses. I feel like,
Yeah,
oh,
I
don't look at
completely
me,
agree.
don't look at me. That's not me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it's funny. Like I used to wear contact lenses all the time, and then I don't know, the
Hmm.
last 5 years, I just got in the habit of wearing my glasses, and now I find
Hmm.
it very difficult not to wear my glasses.
Yeah.
Which probably
Yeah.
good.
The
Yeah.
same for me. Yeah. It's been like 5 years
Mhm.
that I first wear glasses. Yeah.
Mhm.
And as I told you, it's weird when I'm not. I try sometimes to just put them aside to, to let my nose, you know, get comfortable a
Rest.
little bit. Yeah. Rest. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh,
it's Rina. My name is Jafar, and
yes.
I'm from Morocco.
Morocco. Okay, I think you're my first student from Morocco. What is Morocco like?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay,
That's
let's start with the food. It's a big question. Let's start with
Yeah,
the
it's a
food
big
in Morocco. What is that like?
yeah, that's a topic that I don't know what to say. Okay, the food we have
That's
like
okay.
many different dishes who are very famous worldwide.
Mm,
We have couscous. I don't know if you have ever heard about
yeah,
it.
couscous.
We have tagine, Moroccan
I have.
tagine, and we have some others that are locally, common and famous. That's famous, yeah.
Hmm.
And that's
Mm.
all. Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah,
so, what is your favorite kind of food?
I like them all. I like I eat everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you're not a picky eater. Not
Yeah, I'm
a
not
picky
picky.
eater.
I'm not picky when it comes to food.
Okay.
Yeah. Where do you live now?
Oh, right now I live in Montreal, Quebec. Um,
Can
because of coronavirus.
can you repeat it? I didn't.
Yeah. Right now I live in Montreal,
Mon-
Quebec,
Montreal, is it
in
in
Canada.
Canada? Hmm.
Hmm.
Because of COVID.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like before coronavirus, I was teaching English in China. Um, yeah, but I went to South Korea on vacation during the lunar holiday, like
Hmm.
most people in China. And while I was in South Korea, that's when the virus became quite serious. So my flight to go back to China was canceled,
Yeah.
and I've been locked out ever since. Um, yeah,
So
but
then you fly, you flew to Canada.
yeah, I came back home to Canada because I felt that it would be safer for
Hmm.
me here. Uh, but yeah, so now things are finally starting to get better.
Yeah.
I will not go back to China
Oh,
for obvious reasons. Yeah,
bec-
but I will be. I'm actually moving to South Korea next month to
oh.
teach
So
English.
you were in
Yeah,
China, then you went to Korea. Maybe you liked it there. Then you
hmm
decided I'm not coming back to China.
I loved it.
To go to Korea.
Yeah, like I loved it in South Korea.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. Like I was in South Korea for a whole month
Mm-hmm.
waiting to see what was going to happen in China. But while I was waiting, like I had such a good time in
Uh,
South Korea. Like I made lots of friends. The food was delicious. Actually, the food is amazing in South Korea. I don't know if you've ever been to South Korea,
no.
but I love it. I love it. Like
Yeah.
I feel like I used to think how spoiled we were in
Yeah.
Canada because we get to try food from like all over the world, but South Korean food
It's
is the
not.
best.
Yeah. Not
I love
available in
that.
Canada. And you see that that
Actually, it
virus give
is.
you a new opportunity to discover a new place.
Yeah. It
So.
exactly. I feel like coronavirus changed my life, but really in a good way.
Hmm.
So yeah, I'm definitely one of the luckier people
Yeah.
because of coronavirus.
Maybe
Yeah.
COVID-20, is gonna give you another chance. So this one is COVID-19, and the
Yeah.
coming one is going to give you.
COVID-20.
So
Oh
maybe
my
you'll
goodness.
discover a new place
Uh,
and decide to leave. So
I don't know. I think I'd be quite happy staying in South Korea for a bit. Because even though this has been like a great experience, I don't want to do it again.
yeah.
I don't want to go down. Yeah, because Canada, like we've
Hmm.
3 months
Oh,
and things are just slowly going back to normal now. So
so
yeah, and like I left
so
China 5 months ago.
did you
So I
did you book your
yeah.
flight
So I feel
already
like
to Korea?
mm, not yet. I right now
Hmm.
I'm in the process of getting my visa. So basically I want to wait until I get my visa before I book my flight because it is difficult to predict how long the visa process will
Hmm.
take because of COVID-19. Yeah, so I just have to be patient, but I'm hoping by August
Yeah,
1st I will be in South Korea
yeah, that's cool.
doing my
So did you, or
quarantine.
I don't know,
Yeah.
do you have, yeah, you said that you met new friends there. Are they like Koreans or they are foreigners?
Hmm. Um, no, they're all Korean, the ones that are still there.
Hmm.
My foreigner friends, I feel like almost all of them went back to their home
Hmm.
countries, like Canada and the United States. Um, because like either their contracts ended or they just like after going through
Yeah.
coronavirus, a lot of them just kind of wanted to go home,
Hmm.
which is fair. Like that's understandable.
Yeah.
Um, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So all my friends in South Korea are Koreans, and even it's I'm lucky.
Were
Even some of my
ah
students here on
really?
Cambly are
Are
from
they so
Korea,
many Korean
and
people here in Cambly?
so, yeah. I wouldn't say that there's too many. I
Yeah,
would say that
that's
there
more
are a
than
few. Like I
Indians.
maybe have one, two, five.
I think there are a lot of Indians, I
No,
think.
actually, there's not so many. I think that there's more
Ah,
people
so
from
Arabic people, just like me.
Saudi Arabia,
Yeah, Brazil.
Turkey,
Yeah,
and Brazil.
there are many
Hmm.
students. I
Yeah,
don't know, yeah, there are a lot of
yeah,
English learners in Brazil. And also in Saudi Arabia and Middle East. Yeah,
yeah.
and a few Moroccans. Maybe me and another
Hmm.
person. I
Like
don't
it's
know
very
about you, but
popular.
yeah. Yeah.
You and one other person.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Um, so why
I'm
are
not
you
studying.
studying English?
I was studying, but I get to a level where
Practice.
you know, I
Mm-hmm.
don't feel like I'm studying anymore. I'm just practicing, putting it, yeah, putting it in practice.
Just
Yeah,
practicing.
I'm not going crazy. I
Mm-hmm.
have to study or doing exercises, open a textbook,
Okay.
which is really
Yeah,
boring.
that's fair. So, well, why did you
I
learn
don't know.
English?
It's one of the reasons is to be able to communicate with people like you, like others, like you know. That's the main reason to be able to communicate and hear other
Yeah.
people's stories and
Okay.
experiences, which is
Yeah.
amazing. Yeah,
That. Mhm. Yeah, that is so true. And like on Cambly, you get a
yeah,
chance to
yeah.
meet
For you
people
as a
from all over
teacher,
the world,
I'm not a teacher. I'm a student,
and like
so
you said,
I'm
share
just
their
meeting
stories.
people from the U.S.,
Yeah.
from Canada, from South Africa sometimes, and yeah. But for you, you can find students from all over the world.
Uh, yeah, I guess so because
Hmm.
like even in Canada and the United States, we have people who are learning English, although not nearly
Hmm.
as many. Like maybe once a week, I'll get someone calling from
Yeah,
Canada.
because there are
Yeah.
many foreigners
Um,
in Canada, also
yeah,
in the US. But I think in Canada there are more, I don't know, maybe,
yeah.
I don't know, immigrants, because there is some immigration programs,
Uh,
or I don't know how they call them, immigration programs.
yeah.
So people,
Yeah, no, you're
yeah,
right.
so a
Immigration
lot of people are
programs would
applying to come
be
great.
appropriate.
Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah. It's
So
it's becoming
yeah,
a real trend.
you
But
said
Canada,
that you're living
sorry,
in
go ahead.
Montreal. Is people there, are people there speaking both French and English, or is it in another city that they are talking this way?
No, you're right. In
That's
Montreal,
cool.
French is actually the first language,
And you were
and
born
then
there?
English is the second language. I am a no, oh no. I was born in Sept-Îles, Quebec, which
Hmm.
is northeast of Montreal, but I grew up
Yeah.
in Edmonton, Alberta,
Hmm.
which is Western Canada. So
Yeah.
an English speaking
So
province.
yeah, did
Um,
you get the
yeah,
chance to
and
learn
I'm just
French?
kind of in
Do you know
Montreal
any
because
French?
I do know
Yeah.
some French, but it's like not very good.
Yeah.
Um, I understand a lot of French, but speaking it,
Yeah.
not so good.
Yeah. It's the same
Not
case
so
for
good.
me. Yeah.
Um, yeah, yeah. I think learning a language, speaking is the most
Yeah.
difficult part
You have
because
to
you have
change
to
your
like train
personality,
the
you have to
muscles in your
change
mouth
your intonation, you have to
to
change your
make certain
mind,
sounds.
you have to change your everything to be able like to talk to another language in another language. For example, if I'm talking to you in English now, and if I switch to French, I have to maybe my personality is going to be different a little bit. Yeah,
Hmm? Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, based
yeah,
on the vocabulary that you know, yeah, it would seem like your personality would change a little bit.
yeah,
Yeah, that's interesting. I never thought of it that way. But
yeah.
it makes
That's
perfect
the
sense
magic of
now that I think about it. Mhm.
languages. Yeah. Do you know any other language beside English? Chinese? Oh,
Yes. Right now,
mhm.
yeah, I can speak a little bit of Chinese, South Korean.
That's
I can speak a
cool.
little bit of Korean and Japanese.
Maybe you have some
Hmm.
origins because you're, I don't know, as
Yeah,
I
like
see,
right now,
I don't know, because your eyes are too small. I don't know. Maybe.
I think that's it. It's my eyes
Hmm.
and cheekbones, people say. Yeah, often
Yeah.
lately. It's ever since I bought these glasses from South Korea. People think that I look
Hmm.
either Japanese or Korean. Um, which isn't a bad thing because they're beautiful people, but no, like
Oh, really?
my dad is French
Oh,
and my Yeah, and my mom, my mom is German,
Oh,
Irish, Swedish, and native
you
Canadian.
have a lot.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so I have no Asian ancestry, but all European.
yeah,
So,
your
but
combination between a
it's
lot of
okay. It's okay.
origins.
Yes. Uh, right? In Canada, we call it a Heinz 57. Um, Heinz 57,
Heinz 57.
kind of like a
Ah,
hybrid. I 57. Yeah. I'm actually just looking
yeah.
up why we say that.
It's, I don't
Uh,
know if it has a history.
I see. Um, yeah,
Yeah,
so according to Wikipedia, Heinz 57 uh, comes from
yeah.
historical advertising from the
Hmm.
slogan 57 varieties uh, by the company Heinz. Um, and basically, it means that anything that is made from many
Ah,
parts or
oh,
origins.
that's interesting. Heinz,
So, mhm.
Heinz
So that makes
57. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, it's named after the company because Heinz, they actually make things like
Hmm,
ketchup,
I see.
barbecue sauce, tomato soup, hot sauce. Yeah, like
Yeah,
57
now I
different
understand.
products.
Something related to food.
Um, yeah. Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. So,
yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Oh,
yeah. Your
all right.
reservation.
So
Yeah,
my,
okay. Have a
my
good
next
time.
student is calling.
Yeah. Bye
Yes.
bye.
So thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much for
much.
calling. Thank you. Bye bye.